musicians, rappers, singers, DJs. Busta Rhymes, a Grammy Award-nominated rapper and actor, is known for his rapid-fire delivery and energetic performances with Jamaican roots. The notorious B.I.G., born in 1972, is considered one of the greatest rappers of all time, whose parents were Jamaican immigrants. DJ Kool Herc, born in Jamaica, is widely recognized as the father of hip-hop, having brought his sound system to the Bronx. Slick Rick is a British-born rapper of Jamaican descent, known for his storytelling and unique style. Heavy D, born in 1967, was a charismatic Jamaican-born American rapper and actor, whose heritage was a key part of his identity. Pete Rock is a legendary producer and DJ whose Jamaican background has influenced his music. Bushwick Bill, born in 1966, was a member of the Ghetto Boys, whose Jamaican background is a notable aspect of his career. Special Ed, born Edward K. Archer, is an influential rapper from the 80s whose Jamaican roots are well known. Rob Banks is an American rapper with Jamaican roots, also known as the son of dancehall artist Shaggy. Big Tigger is a rapper and radio personality whose Jamaican heritage is part of his background. DJ Academics is a popular streamer and media personality, born in Spanish Town, Jamaica. Sean Kingston is a singer and rapper with Jamaican roots.